Now in this lecture, I'll introduce the idea of multiple log linear regression models, and so let us first write the functional form, and then I'll explain what exactly do we mean by multiple log linear regression models. So let us say a function looks something like this, and let me call this. So this is let's call this the output, okay, and this is a, you can call this a productivity coefficient or just call it a constant, and let's call this the labor. Or just one moment, I can, what I can do is I can, since I'll be putting the exponents here, let me also, let me write the what they really mean in the bottom. So let's call this labor, and let's call this capital, okay, and let's call b1 as the relevant parameters. So b1 and b2 are coming, or beta 1 and beta 2 are coming in the exponent, okay. Now, so basically all I'm saying is that output is basically a function of labor and capital, and this B1 and B2 are the parameters that I want to estimate. So this is the production function given to me, and this is basically a Cobb-Douglas production function, Cobb-Douglas production function. So I can take natural log on both the sides. This becomes ln of yi equal to ln of a dot l raised to power b1 or beta 1 k raised to power b2, okay. So as I have told you, we're going to use the identity, which is, let's say, log or ln of a b c is given to us, then I can write this as ln of a plus ln of b plus ln of c. So this can further be written as ln of yi can be written as ln of a plus ln of l raised to power b1 plus ln of capital raised to power b2. This can further be written as ln of a plus b1 ln of l ln of l here plus b2 ln of k. This is capital K, by the way, not small k, okay. And over here we have the ln yi. Now if you see, this is basically a linear model, both in variables as well as the parameters. So if you see these parameters are coming in the linear manner, okay. So now we can estimate this model. So and this particular ln of a, it's nothing but a intercept. So basically we can write this as beta naught plus beta 1 ln of l plus beta 2 ln of k ln of yi can be written like this. And so this is basically the transformed version of this Cobb-Douglas production function. And so in case many of you have been wondering how do we estimate a Cobb-Douglas production function, this is how we estimate the Cobb-Douglas production function, okay. And um, we can always, once you have estimated this particular regression function, you can always come back to the original Cobb-Douglas production function, okay. Remember that an estimate of beta 1 will be obtained using the data set that you have for these variables, and to find the value of a, you'll basically do an NT log of beta naught, and you'll get the value of a as well, okay. So we'll now look at one problem, and it will become more clear uh, how to interpret these results of multiple log linear model as well. It'll basically be a practice problem, I would say, okay.